north with Regan pressure washing. As you can see, I'm already dirty and the pressure washer is running. So come along with me as we clean this dirty house. Let's go over some things that you might see on your house, right? It probably won't be this bad, but all this lichen and stuff, right? Starts with this green or black on your house, usually on the north side, and then it turns into that, and then it bumps up to this guy right here, right? And he's pretty fresh, but the longer he's there, the harder he is to get off. There's the driveway behind me. There's a giant mud pile right here. Well, the whole driveway was a giant mud pile. Just look at it. It'll probably be the most change that you'll see. That. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it like sitting right here and just time lapse it from there. So I'll be going around the house and I'll disappear for a while, but